Gagawa tayo ngayon ng maruya. May saging pa nga pala ko dito na sobrang hinog na. Isasama ko to. Sayang naman kasi. Ouch! Andiyan na yung order kong flour. Umorder nga pala ako ng flour kasi wala na. Buksan mo! Hindi ko naman ubusin to kasi parang masyadong marami, no? Ito na siya, tapos lalagyan natin ngayon ng flour. Ito yung snack namin today. Ito tayo ng itlog. Lagyan natin ng egg. Tatlong itlog. Yan na. Tapos, lagyan natin ng brown sugar. Para medyo matamis. Yan. Ay! Ganunin na natin. Nagugas naman ako ng kamay, ha? Mas maganda kasi kamay yung pangano para maayos talaga yung tawag dyan. Alam nyo na yun? Ito na, lulutuin na natin. Ay! Sunog agad. Ba yan? Unang salang sunog, 'di ba? So ito na, tapos na yung maruya ko, tapos ngayon naman gagawa ko ng watermelon juice. Ngayon, gagawa naman ako ng watermelon juice, partner nung maruya na ginawa ko. Ito yung snack namin today. Maruya at saka watermelon. Tamis. Sarap. Ito na yung watermelon natin. I-blend natin ngayon. Let's go. Tapos na yung watermelon juice natin. It's it, guys. It's it. Go. Daddy. Come here, ate.
Amazing.
Amen. Ay, kain tayo, guys.
I think that's somebody hiding right there. I am so sick of these decoys. I would not be surprised if someone was seated at the bush. So we're really looking through these bushes. Oh my god, yeah, this is like the best one I've ever seen. Suspicious. We just found a picture. There were two people left, and those
Dior.
two people happened to be Ben and Jeremy.
May watermelon juice and drink.
Over here. Ben and Jeremy! For the third time, we're gonna check inside the house. Where are you?
What? There is no way you found me. I look too good.
Oh my god, this is really good. You know, Jeremy, I came over here because I was
16 minutes and 46
Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.